guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a full face of drugstore makeup for you guys. I really wanted to create a super glam makeup look using affordable makeup products. So this is the look that I created and I'm obsessed. It's so glam, I love it. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I created this makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I already went ahead and I got my base done just to save time in the video. So for foundation today, I went ahead with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is an amazing drugstore matte foundation. I'm obsessed with this foundation, you guys. So that's why I went ahead with it today. And I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the eyes. I'm gonna start off by priming my lids, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to do so. And to set the lids in place, I'm going in with the e.l.f. HD Setting Powder. So my lids are prepped and ready to go, so I'm gonna go ahead with eyeshadow now. And for eyeshadow, I'm going in with this really cute e.l.f. palette. I got this from Walmart, and this is their Berry Bad palette. It's got really cute berry shades. I'm really excited to play with it today. So to start, I'm grabbing this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this onto my crease. This is such a beautiful crease shade. It's such a nice, soft, transitional, like mauve shade. I'm obsessed. So I'm all done kind of smoking out that shade into my crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. To do so, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and my Morphe M410 brush. Alright, so I'm all done kind of cutting my crease 2/3 of the way out. Next, I'm going in with this shade right here. I'm going to start packing that color onto the inner third of the lid. And to apply this color, I'm just going in with a small flat brush. Next, I'm going in with this shade right here. And with a separate flat brush, I'm just gonna apply this shade onto the kind of middle third of the lid. I'm just packing it on right now, and then I'll worry about blending it in with the inner corner shade, because we wanna make sure everything is nice and blended and there's no harsh lines. But first I want to focus on getting the color on the lid. Going back in with the brush that I used to apply the inner corner shade, I'm just going to blend that area where these two shades meet and make sure that there's no harsh line there. Just make sure that they're nice and kind of diffused together. And just going back in with the darker purple, and I'm just making sure that color is nice and packed on the lid. Going back in with the crease shade, I'm just using that brush, and whatever product is on there, I'm just blending out the crease and making sure there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm grabbing this shade right here, taking this color on a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441, and I'm going to start blending this onto the outer corners just to add really nice dimension to the eyes. I'm going back in with the brush that I used to apply the crease shade, and I'm just taking that brush and I'm going to start shaping out like a nice outer V. Because I want to have like that really nice cat eye effect. And it's okay if it's not perfect because we will clean it up with concealer. So I'm just slowly dragging that color out to create a nice outer V shadow. Just gonna take that inner corner shade and really pull up in this area. This is gonna help open up the eyes. Just gonna apply the shimmer right there. Alright you guys, so you already know the drill. I wanna take a break from the eyes. I wanna work on the face a little bit, and then I'll go back in and wrap up the eyes. So I wanna go ahead and conceal my face, and to do so, I'm just going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand. to set everything in place, I'm going in with my e.l.f. HD powder. So while everything is baking and setting in place, I'm gonna go ahead in with some eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. So basically, that's what I want to do on both eyes. So I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then we will continue. Alright, so I'm all done with my eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead in with a brush and just wipe away the translucent setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead in and wrap up my lower lash line. So pretty much what I'm going to do is go in with the two matte shades. I'm gonna start off with this one and I'm gonna smoke it out onto my entire lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take a bit of the darker shade and only apply it onto the outer portion of my lower lash line. And that's just gonna add a little bit more dimension to the eyes. So I'm just gonna use these two quickly and wrap up the eyes. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe E35. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for eyeshadow. Now the very last thing I have to do to wrap up my eyes is put on some falsies and also some mascara. But before I do that, I want to wrap up my brows. And for brows, I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. And I'm in the shade Deep Brown. So I'm just starting off by brushing my brows out. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for my brows. Now I'm going to quickly go off camera and finish up the eyes. I'm going to put on some falsies and some mascara. So for falsies, I'm going in with the Kiss Flirty Lashes. I've never tried these before, so I'm really excited. And for mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. Alright you guys, so I'm all done with my eyes. I am loving these lashes. They are super glam. So if you're looking for affordable glam lashes, definitely check out the Kiss Flirty Lashes from the Drugstore. You can see they are super glam and super beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead in and wrap up the face. I want to go ahead in and contour. So to contour, I'm grabbing my NYX Matte Bronzer and I'm in the shade Medium. So I'm just going to use this and contour my cheeks and my nose. Just gonna take some setting powder and sharpen out the contour. So next I want to go ahead in with some blush. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Nudist Society. I'm also going to put just a little bit on my nose. And for highlight, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild Megaglo highlight in the shade Crown of My Canopy. So this highlight is really pretty. It's got a really nice like pink tint to it, but I think I want something a little bit more like gold and a little bit more brighter. So I'm gonna go ahead in with my e.l.f. and Nabela Noor highlight in Neharika Glow. And I'm just gonna put that right over top of the first highlight. I'm also going to take a little bit of Neharika Glow and apply it onto my inner corners. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to lips. So for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige, and I'm just going to overdraw my lips just a little bit. For lipstick, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. So you can stop right here if you want and finish off the look with a matte lip, but I want to make this look just a little bit more glam, and I want to make the lips very nice and glossy. So to do so, I'm going in with the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. I absolutely love this gloss, you guys, because you can really take any lip look and turn it into a gloss, and it looks so amazing. And I feel like the shine on this lip gloss is so amazing that it makes your lips look really big and nice and plump as well, so it really adds to your glam look. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to see more videos like this where I do drugstore makeup looks, affordable makeup looks, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below so I know. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.